Hello everyone. In this session, we'll learn how do we upload a file into a web application. Okay, so just taking one website and just opening this website over here, and you could see here I'm just opening this website, and here you see there is a browse button, right? So I am trying to click on a browse button and trying to upload a file. So if I upload that file, here you are seeing test.doc. But if you would have concentrated, when I'm clicking on this browse button, I am getting a dialog box. In our previous sessions, we already learned when we were talking about alerts and frames, saying that Selenium is a purely web automation tool. Selenium doesn't interact with any web-based or script-based dialog boxes or interactions, right? So when you have this kind of thing in our application, how are we going to handle this? We cannot say that our application cannot be automated because of this, right? So to overcome that, Selenium has come up with another approach where we can upload a file without interacting with the dialog box. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so I'm just creating a class for file upload. Okay, so new class file upload. So we already know how we invoke the Chrome browser. So just copying the code to invoke the Chrome browser, because this was the first sessions that we were learning when we were doing project setup and all those things, right? So I'm invoking the Chrome browser, and I'm going to give this URL in driver.get so that this URL will be invoked. Okay, so how is this particular file upload going to work? So first identify this particular icon. So I'm just taking this XPath from here. Okay, so we already learned about all the XPath approaches. Please make sure that you're not going to use this XPath, whatever that I'm using. Auto-generated XPath should never be used. But for example purpose, I'm just using it, but you should never use it in the real time. Okay, so driver.findElement by.xpath and pasting it over here. So remember guys, send keys is the command that is used to upload a file. Send keys is the command that is used to upload a file. So I am trying to upload this file. So just take this path of this file, and this file will be uploaded to the particular application with the send keys itself. So I'm just giving the path over here. So we know already that Java doesn't understand single backward slash, and giving two backward slashes over here, and then slash slash test dot doc. The document is of type Word document. You could see it over here. It's .doc. So its name is test. So I gave test.doc. So send keys command will upload this file into the application. So guys, remember why we use send keys. Send keys is for adding a text into the text box. Send keys is for uploading a file. Send keys is for performing the keyboard interactions. These are the three important things send keys does. So now let me run this program, and you could see this particular file will be uploaded into the application using send keys. How is it possible? I'll tell you. There is some precondition that you need to remember for this kind of dialog boxes. Okay, so see here, test.doc is uploaded 0.01 MB. So this is how the file is uploaded. So what you need to remember when you are doing file upload, which dialog boxes, which buttons will work for send keys. Not all the browse buttons will work. Always remember the element of the browse button or file upload button should be of input tag. It should be input tag, and it should have an attribute called type equal to file. Then only this send keys command will work to upload a file into the application. So this is how we upload a file into any web application which has a file upload button, or which or we also browse button if we have. So we can say that this particular app can be used for, or this particular command can be used to upload for a Windows based dialog box. Okay, so any questions on this, just mail us or put your comments in our site. We'll answer you. Thank you. Thank you.